Welcome back to the next section of Traefik Training. In this section, we're going to talk about authentication. And this is kind of an advanced tip because we have a middleware that's basic authentication. But maybe that doesn't meet our use case. We need actually single sign-on to all of our applications, to Traefik, etc. So we can actually use this plugin called ForwardAuth. And the ForwardAuth plugin actually essentially is just a gatekeeper for all of our applications. We can then connect it to Auth0, and the Auth0 is actually an authentication service. It's a SaaS service that then we can connect to our application and Traefik. So what would that look like? We would actually have our applications over here behind in the Docker Swarm, so third-party apps, custom applications, and these applications would be then implemented with the Auth0 libraries to actually talk to Auth0. But in this control plane, in this gatekeeper situation here, Traefik and Auth0 are sitting on the same plane. And what's happening is we're getting requests from external to log into an application. Then Traefik determines, is this actually legit? Yes, then it passes it on to the ForwardAuth. ForwardAuth engine configures it with Auth0 and makes the connection. So this allows you to do a single sign-on to all the containers running in your cluster. And this kind of helps you with authentication. This brings authentication to a whole new level because BasicAuth is really intended for, putting a password in front of your dashboard or, really doing small things. It's not really secure because it's, quite easy to crack these type of hashes. So Auth0 takes it to the next level, and we're actually implementing it in the application and handling the users and groups in Auth0. So it adds another level of user management to our applications. So that's the section for authentication. The next section, we're going to talk about Traefik Pilot and the features available in Traefik Pilot. Join me in the next section.